Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the most important meal of the day, breakfast. But what if I told you that your healthy breakfast might actually be setting you up for a day of energy crashes, cravings, and brain fog? It's true. Many of us are making some big mistakes right at the start of our day without even realizing it. So, let's dive into the 4 worst breakfast mistakes you might be making. And more importantly, the 4 power-packed foods you can use to supercharge your morning and build a truly healthy diet. The first, and probably the most common mistake, is starting your day with a sugar bomb. I'm talking about those colorful cereals, sugary pastries, flavored yogurts, and even some healthy granola bars. When you eat a breakfast high in refined sugar, your blood glucose spikes, giving you a temporary burst of energy. But what goes up must come down. That spike is followed by a dramatic crash, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and craving even more sugar. This vicious cycle can disrupt your hormones, impact your mood, and is a major roadblock to maintaining a healthy weight. Instead of reaching for that box of Frosted Flakes, let's talk about a fantastic replacement: berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are nature's candy. They are packed with fiber, which slows down the absorption of their natural sugars, preventing that dreaded spike and crash. This means you get sustained energy throughout your morning. Plus, they are absolute powerhouses of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. They are one of the best immune-boosting foods you can eat. Try a bowl of mixed berries with a dollop of unsweetened Greek yogurt or blend them into a smoothie. It's a simple, delicious swap that your body will thank you for. The second big mistake is skipping protein. A lot of classic breakfast foods are all carbs: toast, bagels, pancakes. While carbs are a source of energy, without protein, you're not going to feel full or satisfied for very long. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, and it's a game changer for satiety. When you eat a protein-rich breakfast, you'll find you have fewer cravings later in the day, and your energy levels are much more stable. Think about it. If you're hungry by 10 a.m., it's a sign your breakfast was lacking. The simple fix: eggs. Eggs are one of the most perfect, complete protein sources on the planet. They're affordable, versatile, and incredibly nutrient-dense. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, plus important nutrients like choline for brain health and lutein for eye health. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, or in a veggie-packed omelet, adding eggs to your morning routine will keep you feeling full and focused for hours. They are a cornerstone of a healthy diet and a fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism for the day. All right, on to mistake number 3: fearing healthy fats. For decades, we were told that fat is the enemy, leading to a wave of low-fat and fat-free products that were often loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients to make them taste good. The truth is, your body and your brain need healthy fats to function optimally. Fats are essential for absorbing certain vitamins, producing hormones, and keeping your cells healthy. Avoiding them, especially at breakfast, can leave you feeling unsatisfied and can actually hinder your wellness goals. So, what's the power food to bring back healthy fats? Avocado. Avocado is a superfood for a reason. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels and are incredibly anti-inflammatory. Avocado is also high in fiber and potassium. Adding a quarter or half an avocado to your breakfast, whether on whole grain toast or alongside, your eggs will add a creamy, delicious texture and a dose of healthy fats that will keep you satiated and your brain firing on all cylinders. This is a perfect example of how natural remedies, in the form of whole foods, can support your overall health. And finally, the 4th mistake is drinking your calories, especially in the form of so-called healthy juices. That big glass of orange juice you think is so virtuous. It's often just as high in sugar as a can of soda, but without any of the fiber from the original fruit. This leads to the same blood sugar spike and crash we talked about earlier. Commercial smoothies can be just as bad. loaded with sugary yogurts, juices, and syrups. While they seem convenient, they're often a recipe for an energy slump. Instead, let's replace that sugary drink with a true superfood breakfast, a well-built smoothie. But wait, didn't I just say smoothies can be bad? The key is in how you make it. Your power food smoothie should be built around greens, protein, and healthy fats. Start with a base of spinach or kale, won't even taste it, I promise. Then, add a scoop of clean protein powder or a handful of chia seeds. Chia seeds are incredible. They're packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They swell up in liquid, which helps you feel full and hydrated. Add a small amount of fruit, like half a banana or some berries for sweetness, a spoonful of almond butter for healthy fat, and blend it with unsweetened almond milk or water. This creates a nutrient-dense, fiber-rich meal that will give you steady, sustained energy all morning long. So to recap, ditch the sugary cereals and pastries for antioxidant-rich berries. Swap the carb-only breakfasts for protein-packed eggs. Stop fearing fat and embrace the goodness of avocados. And finally, trade your sugary morning juice for a properly constructed fiber-rich smoothie with chia seeds. Making these simple changes can have a profound impact on your energy, your mood, and your overall health. It's all about focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body from the inside out. give这些替换方案一个尝试，看看你感觉有多不同。Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your go-to healthy breakfast? See you next time.